It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol APTO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice move today, and really the past few days has gotten a pretty quiet uptrend to it, but not quite anymore, especially the final 30 minutes. Again, each one of these is 30 minutes. I bring that up again because check out the final 30 minutes on the day. Volume exploded, biggest volume it's had in a very long time, and it's not even close. And then you can see the price action during that final 30 minutes. Things came to life quite a bit. So no more of this little kind of quiet little ninja type upwards price movement. A lot of noise was made, during the final 30 minutes. So I would assume that many more eyeballs will be keeping an eye on it tomorrow. But let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk resistance. So the ideal level of support going forward, meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be right here at $1.40. Now, if the price falls below $1.40, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay above it, that would certainly be best case scenario and represent, the biggest sign of power on the bull's part. Next level of support after that, this previous breakout point down there at $1.35. And then taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, it's all about the purple line here, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this line is going to continue to move its way upwards and look something like that. And if you're just looking for a very cut and dry way to measure the health of the move, this right here being defined as the move. So hey Clay, how can I just kind of track the overall strength of the move from a bigger picture perspective? Well, that's the purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average, or in other words, very cut and dry way. Simply put, as long as the price is above that purple line going forward, the bulls are in full health, no questions asked. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, the party stopped today up there at the $1.70 range, so that'll be public enemy number 1 going into tomorrow. But by no means does the price have to break that level of resistance or else it's a bad day. Nothing like that. In fact, in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance at this point in time, not a huge priority. Top priority is just doing what it's been doing, meaning going through healthy consolidation and building higher bases. Because as you can see, as the chart has built higher bases over time, the long-term chart has continued to take care of itself. So very nice move today. It'll be interesting to see how everything unfolds tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.